is Maddie and Bonnie, and that's Diane just throwing a stick. And who's got it? Is that Cookie? No, Maddie's off with it. Maddie is making her way off with the stick, and Bonnie's gone to try and get the stick. Actually, no, that's a lie. Bonnie's not really that interested in the stick. There's Hector. There's Cookie, whose tail never stops. Yeah, he wants another stick. There he goes.
Yeah.
Cookie Mud Puddle.
Bring it back. You're retrieving.
Yeah, the retrieving bit's not quite there, is it? Here comes Hector, who's having a few issues today about...
High five. Yeah.
Oh, that was good, I missed it. Can you do it again?
Cookie. High five. Yeah.
Yeah.
And again. Yeah.
Yeah. Cookie,
Maddie.
high five. What's happening, eh? That's Bonnie. That's Maddie. Now, you haven't seen much of Maddie.
Good girl.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, in shot now we have Hector, Cookie, Bonnie, and we've got Diane, who is Maddie's mum, and Maddie's gone. Oops, that's Bonnie. That's Maddie, and she's really beautiful. Maddie, come here, girl. Come here, girl. Maddie, as you can see, she won't do what I tell her, but what her mum tells her.